not so easy. How to change a cautionary accidental across a system break. In bar 7, there is a B flat which is tied to the next bar, which is in a new system. The default is that the accidental appears in brackets in the new system. That is a cautionary accidental. To change this, you have to go to the Appearance tab, the House Style group, Engraving Rules, Accidentals and Dots, and then there is a little block that is normally checked by default. It says Restate Accidental when note is tied across a system break. That you need to uncheck. And when I click on OK now, you will see that the flat in brackets will disappear. This will only apply to this present score and is not a global change. So if you want that feature in another score, you have to go through the same process. Appearance, House Style, Engraving Rules, etc. Not so easy.